Hi all and welcome back to our channel. Today we shall review the Audi R8 Spyder with the V10 engine. This car looks amazing and has been built by iScale. The deep red looks just fabulous, doesn't it? Let's now move into the unboxing. This is an official Audi R8 licensed product made by iScale. Overall, iScale has done a fantastic job. This car has got clean lines, the color complexity is very good, the sheen and shine on the car is just phenomenal. Let's take a look at the exterior. iScale has done a good job of detailing this car. The doors, the bonnet do open. The lights are clear, so is the grille with the chrome finish around it. The rear has the Audi logo with other detailing. Let's take a look at the tires. The alloy wheels are well done in silver. Even the brake caliper is clearly seen here with the Audi logo. Let's move on to the interiors. The black panels with the silver accents gives a very nice touch to the car. The door panels are well detailed. The brake pedal are well detailed, so is the steering wheel. Overall, iScale has done an excellent job with this car. What could be better is adding a nice detail to the engine bay. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you all in our next video.